In this video, I'll be showing you how to use FDM, which is the free download manager app on your Android phone. Okay, so to get started, you need to head over to the Play Store and then just search for FDM. After searching for it, tap the search icon down here and you should see it. So tap on it and then tap install and then wait for a few seconds for it to get downloaded to your device. Okay, so after installing it, tap open to open it. And then tap allow so that you get notified when it is done downloading what you have set it to download. And this is what it will look like after you have opened it for the first time. So to use FDM, I would recommend two browsers. You can either use it with Firefox or Vivaldi. Normally I use Vivaldi, so that's what I'll be showing you how to use in this video. So if you don't have Vivaldi installed, I'll recommend you install it. You can also use Firefox. So I'll open up Vivaldi. So let's say I wanted to download this zip file. If I tap on download, it will be downloaded by Vivaldi. You can see it is doing the downloading. But if you tap the menu icon down here, then tap downloads, then this settings icon, you'll see this option, external download manager. Tap on it and then tap FDM. So after you select FDM, this is free download manager. You're telling Vivaldi that you want to use free download manager anytime you try to download something. So now if I tap on download, you'll see that FDM opens and it is going to do the downloading for me. This will not work with Chrome. I don't know when Chrome will have the option to use external download managers. If you'll be using Firefox, open up Firefox, tap on these three dots down here, tap settings, scroll down, tap downloads, then tap manage downloads with another app. And anytime you want to download anything using Firefox, it's going to ask you if you want to use FDM or the Firefox download manager instead. So this one takes extra steps, but you just need to tap FDM and you'll be able to download using FDM. And that's basically all you need to know about using FDM. There are different modes for FDM. You can set it to fast mode. The fast mode will make sure that all your files will be downloaded using the fastest internet speed your Wi-Fi or your mobile data comes with. If there are other people using the same Wi-Fi network and maybe FDM is taking too much of your bandwidth, you can change it to moderate, and this time it's going to download at a maximum speed of 2.1 megabytes per second. And there's also the slow mode. It's going to download files at 260 kilobytes per second. And there's also the snail mode. So with this one, it's going to download but very slowly. So it depends on how fast your internet is. But for me, I normally set it to fast mode. FDM also has a browser. I normally don't use it because it doesn't have a lot of features. You can see if you just tap here, these are the only features you get. Bookmarks, and that's basically all. So you can use it, but it is not my go-to browser. So with FDM, you can also download torrents. I'm not sure how safe it is to show you that on YouTube, so I'm not going to do that. I don't want my video taken down. But that's basically how you use the app on your phone. Now you can also use it on your PC, and I'm going to be making a video about that. So yeah, if you have questions, please let me know in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.